Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Callahan Cruisers monthly meetup for December. And this is Car Show Cam. We didn't stick around very long at this one, and but there was lots of cars there. So, here's what video I did get. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Did you get the Linda said she's also coming to physical therapy Mondays and Wednesdays?
I caught that.
Oh, there are people here. I don't see Gordy or... You want to get your scooter out or not?
Yeah, maybe.
Park back here by the dumpster then.
Right here?
Yeah. I meant straight back here.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you, dear.
Let's loop it around and come back. Come back.
Some different cars today.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Greg was just running late.
Like I said, he had something done and ain't read it yet.
Yeah.
Alright, straight in.
Yeah, if you want to pull straight in, that's fine. We just loaded her up, unload her and load her that way. That good for you?
Yeah. We can leave the ramps down and everything.
Yeah. Greg doesn't have our phone number, does he?
I do think so.
He can text you?
He can get in contact with
Yeah.
me.
He wants a honeymoon cake.
I heard.
Because I half the time don't look at my phone right now anyway. Pull through there in time to text us. Or text you. Okay. Merry Christmas!
We'll see you next year.
But I will try.
Damn, I could make a business out of selling them damn things.
I swear you could. Your brother's right on that one.
Yeah.
Whew.
It's gonna be just as a time to go in when we get there.
Actually, no. Well, if you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.